Digital marketing has become an absolute game changer for businesses all around the globe, turning it into a skill that everyone wants to get their hands on. It is like having a superpower that allows you to reach and engage with customers on a whole new level. If you have ever dreamed of becoming a digital marketing expert, then you are in for a treat. We will be your digital marketing mentor, guiding you through each step with clarity and enthusiasm. From mastering the fundamental marketing principles to unlocking the secrets of advanced strategies, learning marketing fundamentals. So, learning marketing fundamentals is like building the solid groundwork for your digital marketing empire. It's all about understanding the inner workings of consumer behavior, unraveling the mysteries of market research, and uncovering the secrets of effective marketing strategies. Think of it as the key that unlocks the door to success in the digital realm. To get started, immerse yourself in the world of marketing through online courses, insightful books, and industry blogs. These treasure troves of knowledge will equip you with essential tools and insights needed to navigate the ever changing landscape of digital marketing. Once you have gained the basic marketing knowledge, then the next thing you can do is create a web page. So imagine having your very own digital playground, a place where you can unleash your creativity and showcase your digital marketing skills to the world. That's exactly what creating a web page is all about. It is like having a blank canvas where you can paint your unique brand story and captivate your audience. Thanks to user-friendly platforms like WordPress and Wix, building a professional-looking web page has never been easier. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a design guru to get started. So once you have created a web page, you can start with learning local SEO. Local SEO is vital for businesses targeting a specific geographic area. Optimizing websites for local search results is key. Techniques like optimizing Google My Business listings and obtaining online reviews and targeting location-specific keywords are crucial. By creating accurate and comprehensive profiles on Google My Business, businesses increase their visibility. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, while location-specific keywords help businesses appear in relevant local searches. Embracing local SEO techniques ensures businesses connect with the potential customers in their area, gaining a competitive edge and driving growth. So learning local SEO is also important. The next step is SEO on-page, off-page. To become a digital marketing expert, you must master both on-page and off-page SEO techniques. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements within your website, such as meta tags, headings, and content. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, focuses on building high-quality backlinks and increased website authority through strategies like guest blogging, social media promotion, and influencer outreach. By understanding and implementing these techniques effectively, you can boost your website's visibility and rankings in search engine results, ultimately driving more organic traffic and achieving digital marketing success. Now, the next step is one of the most important steps, that is PPC advertising. So, paid media marketing like PPC advertising is a game changer for driving targeted traffic to websites. Pick a platform like Google Ads or Facebook Ads and become a master in it. Learn the art of crafting compelling ad campaigns, conducting keyword research, and optimizing ad performance. By focusing on one paid media platform, you will gain the expertise needed to maximize your marketing efforts and achieve outstanding results. So dive in and master your chosen platform and watch your website traffic soar. After this, you can go ahead and learn the analytical tools. So analyzing data is like having a superpower in the world of digital marketing. It's like a secret sauce that helps you understand what's working and what's not working. To become a digital marketing expert, you need to get cozy with analytical tools like Google Analytics. These tools are like treasure chests filled with valuable insights about your website traffic, user behavior, and campaign performance. So start by learning how to set up tracking codes, which act as a digital breadcrumbs guiding you through the vast online landscape. Then dive into creating custom reports that give you a personalized view of your data. But don't stop there. The real magic happens when you interpret the data and use it to make informed marketing decisions. So learning analytical tools is also important if you want to become a digital marketing expert. So now, next is learning marketing stack. So learning about the marketing stack is like unlocking a treasure trove of tools and software that can supercharge your digital marketing efforts. Picture it as a collection of powerful weapons in your arsenal. You've got an email marketing platform like MailChimp, which help you craft captivating campaigns that land right in your audience's inbox. Then there are social media management tools, and let's not forget about marketing automation software like HubSpot, which takes care of repetitive tasks. By gaining hands-on experience with these tools, you will become master of efficiency, streamlining your marketing efforts and unleashing your full potential. After learning all of these skills and tools, you can go ahead and learn advanced topics. First, programmatic advertising. Delve into programmatic advertising, which uses AI and automation to purchase and optimize digital ads in real time. Understand how it works and its application in various marketing campaigns. Next is affiliate marketing. Learn the intricacies of affiliate marketing, where you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission. Discover how to find and manage affiliate partnerships effectively. Alright, now the third one on the list is app marketing. So, in the age of mobile apps, knowing how to market them is crucial. Explore strategies for app store optimization, in app advertising, and user acquisition techniques. So, these three are the advanced topics that you can master if you want to become a digital marketing expert. Alright. So, becoming a digital marketing expert requires continuous learning, practical experience, and a passion for staying updated with industry trends. By following this step-by-step guide, you can develop a strong foundation in marketing, master essential digital marketing techniques, and gain experience in advanced topics. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.